and take this
And
balloon.
this is really your birthday?
Yes,
Ah, great.
it's not fake. I'm not that. No, no. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you. صباح الخير، اهلا بكم في فيديو جديد من روما. النهارده عيد ميلادي، حبيت احتفل بيه بطريقتي الخاصه مع الاجانب وبفكره جديده، وعايز اشوف رد فعل الاجانب هيبقى عامل ازاي لما يشوفوا اللوحه ديت. طبعا انا هفردها واللوحه مكتوب فيها اتصوروا معي من اجل احتفال عيد ميلادي. هنشوف بقى الرد فعل ايه، هنشوف بقى هل هم هيجوا يتصوروا معايا ولا الرد الفعل هيكون عامل ازاي. يلا بينا نستعد. Let's go start now.
నేను ట్రైన్ టర్మినల్కి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను. నేను వెళ్ళిపోతాను.
طبعا احنا بنبدا اهو مستنيين الناس، والكل بيبدا اهو اللي هو يبص على الورقه. مستنيين بقى حد بقى ايه يجي يبدا اللحظه معايا. هو كل ايه بص مستغرب. يا رب الفكره تنجح، يا رب يا رب الفكره تنجح يا رب. بس اكيد اللي هيعملوها الامريكان اللي هيعملوها. Thank you. Hey, come. I want. Come. Come here. Take this. Wait. You are welcome.
It's your birthday. No, this is your
No.
Okay. Please, no.
Okay. Take this. You are welcome. Okay.
Too much.
No. It's not problem. Okay. You are welcome. Thank you very much. كده أول حد، يعني أول نجاح. Thank you. Come on. I give it you something.
Take a picture?
Yes.
Okay.
You can tell me hi.
Hey, how's it going? We're in front of this beautiful
Thank you.
fountain.
Take that.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Take this. This
I'm
for you.
okay.
No.
I'm not hungry.
No. Take this. I send you like chocolate.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Full.
No, this is chocolate.
No,
Chocolate.
I had food poisoning last night.
Okay, you can eat that next.
I'm okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Wait.
Thank you.
Wait. I give it you something again.
Balloon?
Yeah.
For your birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Enjoy. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much. Where are you from?
Spain.
Spain. It's a good country.
Yes.
Thank you.
Nah.
You can take this,
Yes.
please. Wait. This for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You are welcome. And this for you.
Oh, thank you so
Okay,
much.
have a nice day.
Happy
Thank
birthday.
you. Thank you very much. Wait, she two together? Two. Thank you very much. This for you. Thank you. You are welcome. And this is for you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Okay, good luck. Enjoy. You are welcome.
Stadt des Wassers früher mal genannt.
واحدة ده عربية معرفش مصرية ولا ايه بالظبط معدية وبتضحك عشان هي شايفة الموقف يعني أول مرة. Thank you very much. Just a moment. Take this please.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. This for you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
you are welcome.
It's your birthday.
Yeah.
You give me the present.
Yes. Just a moment, you. This for you.
Thank you.
Okay, enjoy. Thank you very much. You are welcome.
It's for your blog.
Yes, I'm vlog. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, like that. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. ادي كده رابع حد. Okay.
Happy birthday
Thank you very much. Where are you from?
from the Netherlands.
Oh, good country. 1 minute, please. Take this. I give it you something. The chocolate for you. Okay. Thank you very much. Wait, just a minute, please. Just a minute. You can take this. Okay, thank you, my friend. Come on. I give it you something. نغير الاتجاه ونشوف عايزين ايه اخر واحد وخلاص على كده يبقى احنا قفلنا العدد 6 اشخاص.
Want a picture?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Where are you from?
From Poland.
It's a good country. I like
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. You can take this, please.
No,
Okay. This for you.
What is this?
This chocolate. And this bomboni.
Thank you.
And take this balloon.
It's really your birthday?
Yes.
Oh, great.
It's not fake. I'm not that. No. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you. طبعا احنا خلصنا الفكره بتاعتنا والحمد لله نجحت وعدت على خير. وطبعا الناس لما شافت اليافطه ففي ناس استغربت الفكره وفي ناس ما بتعرفش تقرا لان طبعا احنا في منطقه سياحيه ففي اجانب من جميع انحاء العالم فلغات مختلفه ففي اللي بيعرف انجلش وفي لا وفي بيعرف يتكلم انجليزي وفي ما يعرفش يقرا انجليزي. في ناس شافت سانك في ناس طبعا يعني كانت مستغربه برضو بالموقف ان اول مره يشوفوا حاجه جديده يعني ايه واحد النهارده عيد ميلاده وبيحتفل بيه في الشارع مع الناس. فهي بصراحه كانت تجربه حلوه يعني واستمتعت بيها شويه على قد ما هي كانت مجنونه شويه بس عجبتني. يلا اشوفكم بقى فكره جديده ان شاء الله من ايطاليا مع سلسله فيديوهات قادمه.